Hi everyone, this is Kiran Prakash from First Earth Foundation. So every farmer will be waiting for this beautiful day, which is the harvest time. So we're also very happy, excited, because it's almost 20 days we will harvest this. So this is a place near Nanjangud, which is in Karnataka, near Mysore. So it should be around 160 kilometers from the IT hub, which is Bangalore. We call it Bengaluru now. So here we are today. So we have got very good harvest time, and you can see the banana. It's really well. It looks very nice. So of course we are worried about the lot of diseases nowadays. If you want to grow in chemical, if you consider chemical farming, it is nearly impossible to be successful, because once if you get successful, probably multiple times you'll have a failure. So always rates is not our hand. The market price keeps varying. What we need to consider is we need to reduce our expenses, and when we do natural farming, 100% we are always on the upper side of the profit. So we'll be profitable at any point of time throughout the year. And anyways, we are planning to plant between September, October, so that the next year, the coming year, 10 months, banana takes around 10 months to harvest. So if we consider plantation between September and October, we will approximately get our yield between the festival season. Varamahalakshmi, what we call the festival, continuously will have 3-4 festivals. We have Lord Ganesh festival also, Gauri Ganesha, and a couple of them. So completely 2-3 months you'll have a very good price for your yield. So we are anyways looking at around 60 to 100 rupees per kg. So per acre I'm looking at 10 to 12 average. So let's not be greedy, because if you get more, God's grace, you're always happy. But let's consider at the bottom level. So we are looking at between 10 to 12 kgs average. So even if we get around 60 to 100, we will be making anywhere between 6 lakhs to 10 lakh rupees per acre of banana plantation. So friends, this is just not one experience. We have been doing this from last 5 years, and you can see all the videos on the YouTube, and you have so many plots which got harvested. And we also, last year, especially in 2023, a farmer called Dilip from a place called Kollegal, he got around 107 rupees per kg. So it was so good. The last year he had a big lottery time. So friends, please follow. If you want to become a Karodpati, being a farmer, I promise you, if you want to become a Karodpati being a farmer, just learn banana plantation in 1 acre. The same thing you can multiply by going forward. The second year you can try 2 acres, 5 acres, 10 acres. If you do 20 acres, end of the day, 5 years of experience, one day you will make more than 1 crore. That is not taxable. That is the best part. Being a farmer, it is not taxable. And the best part is, in one shot, you will see so much of money. In no other industry, you will see so much of money in one shot. So we are doing it for passion, obviously, and obviously we have to consider financially as well. So of course we have crossed all the risk, and we have finally come to a day where we have such a beautiful yield. I'll keep updating you guys with more and more information. So please follow it from the beginning, from the first step. That's what I keep telling my farmers. Don't have any urgency. Urgency is the first step for failure, and multiple failures is the first step for success. If you're going in the right path, even if you fail, that's all right. That is the first step for your success. But if you're in the wrong path, you fail again and again and again, you will never come up. That's why people are so scared about agriculture. They're not willing to continue. Everybody are going to the cities because of multiple failures. I promise you, I challenge you, please follow this step from the beginning. Start from the green manure, cow dung preparation, soil preparation, and then if you start the plantation. I am teaching you step by step. Every small information has been put up, so please follow the steps. I want to help all the farmers, all the youngsters especially. Farming will give you 100% peace, 100% stress-free life. You can spend your entire life happily. You will have more time with your family, your kids, everybody. So there is 100% positive. There is no stress. You just follow every single steps you need to follow. Just blindly follow what I'm telling you, because we have a lot of experiences. The more than hundreds of farmers are following our steps. I'm teaching them step by step, and you can see the success. So as you can see on the screen, there's only success. It's the beautiful yield. You will be profitable. And thank you so much. Please follow all small information. Subscribe, follow, and please share with your friends and families. Thank you very much. Bye.